In this video, you'll learn how to fix the no impressions issue in Google Ads. If your ads aren't showing or receiving any views, don't worry. This guide will walk you through what to check and how to get your campaigns running again. Start by going to the Google Ads website and signing into your account. Once you're on your dashboard, you'll see all your active campaigns. This is where you can identify which ones aren't getting impressions. Next, click on Campaigns in the left-hand menu. Take a close look at your campaign overview. Check if your campaigns are active and not paused or limited by policy. Sometimes a simple pause or disapproval can stop your ads from showing. If everything looks active, the next step is to review your settings. Click on the campaign name that's having issues, then go to the Settings tab. Here, focus on a few key areas: your budget, bidding strategy, targeting, and ad schedule. Start with bidding. Low bids are one of the most common reasons for no impressions. If your bid is too low compared to competitors, your ads might not enter the auction. Increase your bids slightly or switch to a smart bidding strategy like maximize clicks or target CPA to let Google optimize automatically. Then check your budget. A very low daily budget can limit your reach. Make sure your budget allows enough room for your ads to compete in the auction. After that, review your targeting settings. If your targeting is too narrow, for example, limited to a small location or audience, your ads may have no eligible traffic to show to. Broaden your targeting slightly to reach more potential users. Also, make sure your keywords are relevant and have enough search volume. Go to the Keywords tab and look at the status column. If you see messages like low search volume or below first page bid, those keywords won't trigger impressions. Replace low volume keywords with more popular ones or adjust your bids accordingly. Next, check your ad approval status. Go to the Ads and Assets section and look at whether your ads are approved. If they're disapproved or under review, they won't show at all. You can click on the ad to see the reason for disapproval and request a review after fixing it. Finally, review your ad schedule and start and end dates. If your ads are set to run only at certain times or the campaign start date is in the future, they'll naturally show no impressions until that time frame arrives. Once you've made these checks and adjustments, monitor your campaign for at least 24 to 48 hours. Google's system may take a little time to start generating impressions again after changes. To summarize, no impressions usually come down to one of 5 things: low bids, restrictive targeting, small budgets, keyword issues, or ad disapprovals. Addressing each of these systematically ensures your ads are eligible to enter the auction and start showing again. Stay proactive. Review your campaign performance regularly and make small adjustments as needed. Over time, you'll notice your ads gaining traction and delivering the impressions you're aiming for.